Hello class, my name's Ethan Spalding. I'm here with my feature food assignment, quinoa meatballs. Now just a quick background on quinoa. It's a pseudo cereal, not considered a real cereal. It's not a member of the true grass family. It's more related to beetroot, spinach, and that kind of thing. It's extremely high in protein, lacks gluten, and is very tolerant of dry soil, so it's pretty much a super plant. Also, compared to other grains, it's a pretty good source of monounsaturated fat. Like, you have to consume less of it in order to get the same amount of fat content that you would of other grains. So that is also one of the benefits of it. So now for the preparation of this food. So first off, you're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. Probably the best to get would be 95% lean ground beef, the healthiest kind. Then 1/4 cup of finely chopped onions. You're going to need a tablespoon of chopped garlic, some ground black pepper, some salt, some marinara sauce, all that stuff. And then, so in order to cook the quinoa, you're going to need only about a cup of water in a small pot. Let it boil and pour in half a cup of quinoa. Cover it, let it simmer until it absorbs all the water, like rice does. Pretty much cook it like rice for 10 to 12 minutes. You set it aside for another 10 minutes to just simmer in the heat and get that extra cookedness. Now you're going to want to take a large mixing bowl for your other ingredients. You're going to want to mix everything in. Once the quinoa is finished, you go ahead and add that in. Then once everything's heavily mixed in, go ahead, form them into little meatballs. I forgot to mention, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. So you're going to want to have that going in the background while you're preparing all the other stuff. And once your meatballs are ready, you just place them in a baking sheet, put them in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. I let mine sit in there for 17, and then you have a healthy, delicious snack awaiting you when it's ready. So yeah, that's my feature food, quinoa meatballs.